Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video I gonna show different unique and amazing pebble and shell home decoration ideas, pebble and shell different mural decoration ideas, mobile covers and etc. It is very unique and amazing home decoration ideas you can make easily at home for different unique wall decoration, different and unique mural pebble and stone outline ideas. It's very unique and amazing, and I hope you like it. Then you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon, viewers, and please share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.